Lahat sila.
Okay.
Gusto mo na ha? May klase din ako sa kabilang.
Thank you po, teacher.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Okay, kung ilan ko na sige, may klase din ako.
Gabi. Gabi, partner ka.
Big circle. Very big circle.
Big circle, Gabi.
Big circle. Okay, that's it. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, so what shape is that? What is it? Circle. Everybody, what's that? Circle. What's that? Okay, from there. Okay, oh, down. Okay, down na down. When I say down, you're going to. Okay,
Gabi,
that's
put
it.
yourself.
Down. Okay, so you are going to shake. Okay, shake hands. Do you know how to shake hands? Okay, continue. Shake hands. Okay. She, moshi, hola, hola. Hello, hello. How do you do? Okay, so ganito. Okay, everybody, look at teacher here. Moshi, moshi, hola, hola. Hello, hello. How do you do? Moshi, moshi. Ay! Okay. Mushi, mushi.
Shake hands, teacher.
Hello, hello, how do you do? Okay, shake hands. Oh, ikot kayo, ikot. Lahat ng classmates, i-shake ng hands. Ready? Sing. Mushi, mushi, hola, hola. Hello, hello, how do you do? Mushi, mushi, hola, hola. Hello, hello, how do you do? Mushi, mushi, hola, hola. Hello, hello, how do you do? Okay, that's it. Shake hands para magkilala. Okay. Do you want some more, children? Do you want some more? Oh, okay. So we'll sing it again. Okay. Kung ikaw ay masaya, tumawa ka. Sige, tawa nga kayo. Okay, that's it. Kung ikaw ay masaya, tumawa ka. Okay, make it louder, everybody. Kung ikaw ay masaya, tumawa ka. Oh, louder. More energy. Ready? Again. Kung ikaw ay masaya, ready? Sing. Kung ikaw ay masaya, tumawa ka. Very good. Kung ikaw ay masaya, tumawa ka. You're happy? Masaya ba kayo? Oh, okay.
Yay!
Ikaw ay masaya, tumawa ka. Kung ikaw ay masaya, tumawa ka. Kung ikaw ay masaya, buhay mo ay sisigla. Kung ikaw ay masaya, tumawa ka. Oh, okay. Kung ikaw ay masaya, you shout, yehey! Shout, yehey! Yehey!
Yay!
Yehey! That's it! Yehey! Yehey! Malakas! Louder! Yes! Yes! That's it! Kung ikaw ay masaya, you shout, yehey! Yehey! Come on! Kung ikaw ay masaya, you shout, yehey! Yehey! Kung ikaw ay masaya, you shout, yehey! Yehey! Kung ikaw ay masaya, buhay mo ay sisigla. Kung ikaw ay masaya, you shout, yehey! Oh, very good! Do you know how to sing ABC? Do you
Yes!
know how to sing? Oh, we'll sing.
ABC.
Up to the ceiling, down to the floor. Okay, ready? Sing. Up to the ceiling, down to the floor. Left to the window, right to the door. Papa loves me, Mama has me. Now I know my ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Very good. Okay, everybody, take your seat. Okay, where? Maganda, come here. Dito, face me here. Dito sa teachers.
Uy, dyan ako.
Okay, makita si teacher. Come here. Okay. Good morning, children.
Good morning.
What will be your answer? Good morning, teachers. Okay. Good morning, children.
Good morning,
teachers.
teacher.
One more.
Dyan mo lang, Mak. Dyan lang.
Good morning, teachers. Say it.
Good morning, teacher.
One more.
Good morning, teacher.
Oh.
One more.
Gabby,
Hindi
good morning.
ko narinig yung iba. Everybody say, good morning, teachers.
Good morning, teachers.
Good morning, classmates.
Good morning.
Sino classmates mo?
Sila.
Okay, these are your classmates. Okay, again. Good morning, children.
Good morning,
Teachers. Good morning, classmates. Again, good morning, teachers.
Good
morning, classmates. Huh? Sino ba ate? Good morning, teachers. Good morning, classmates. Okay, again.
Hindi ko tiyado.
Good morning, children.
Gabby, teacher.
Children.
Gabby, teacher. Teacher.
Dito, si Mami. Diyan yun yan. Dito, andito ako. Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Teachers. Good morning, classmates.
Buhay.
Sigaw, mabuhay! O, sige pa kuya. O, one more, malakas! Good, that's it, yeah, my energy. Okay, good morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning, teachers.
Yun.
Ano nga pagkakataon?
Mab.
Very good, that's it. Okay, how are you? Fine. How are you?
Gabby.
Okay, very good. So we will get to know each other. So one by one, you are going to go here in front. Then you are going to introduce yourself. Magpapakilala kayo. Sino gusto mauna? Oh, very good. Come here. What's your name? My name is. Okay, how old are you? Oh, 5 years. Where do you live?
Wow.
Sit down na po. Introduce yourself.
My name. Good morning.
My name is... Sandra. How old are you? I'm 3 years old. Where do you live?
Phase 10. Pag-asa.
Asa.
Imus.
Cavite.
Yay! Maki!
Ikaw, kuya. Ikaw, kuya.
Ma, next ka na. Next.
Ikaw. Sige, tapos na ako.
Introduce yourself.
Diba?
What's your
Sige,
name?
tapos na.
What's your name?
Mamaya. Ito, ano ka muna ba?
I'm
Alisin mo na yun.
Elijah.
Yes.
How old are you? 5. I'm 5
5.
years old. Where do you live? I live at
Buhay na
Buhay na tubig.
Imos, Cavite.
Yay! Next. Maki.
Maki.